Welcome to KenWeb Technologies. I am Keval. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install latest version of uTorrent and some advanced settings which you can perform in your uTorrent or BitTorrent to optimize it for the faster download. Now let us start our video. Let us go to the official website of uTorrent. Please make sure that you don't click on any uTorrent ads or check padlock after opening the website. Sometimes it might be possible that you may open insecure URL. Now, just to show you the demo, I will download the free version of uTorrent Classic. The downloading process has started. Within 1 to 2 minutes, the download will complete. As you can see, the download has been completed. Now we'll just go to the path where the uTorrent has been downloaded. Make sure that your internet connection is on, otherwise the error will appear. Now we'll double click on the setup. We'll click on next. We'll keep the default settings as it is. The warning pop-up will occur. Click on next. We don't want to install Avast or adware, so we'll just click on decline. Then click on finish. Finally, the uTorrent has been installed. Now uTorrent screen has appeared. At first, we'll add one torrent file in here. Make sure that whenever you download a torrent, your VPN is on. Or if you are in the country where the torrent is banned, please do not try to download any torrent files as well. If you have noticed, as soon as I've added the torrent file, it tried to connect to the internet. On that, because what if you will forget to click on the stop button and the torrent will drain all of your internet connection. Therefore, to change these settings, we'll click on the preferences here. We'll click on the preference first. Then we'll go to the privacy. Now click on clear private data. This will clear previous paths you have created, like if you have added any path locations or new torrent dialogues or anything. Also, clicking on forget me button will remove any personalized advertisement which has been shown to you by the uTorrent client. If you would like to change the UI settings like automatic downloads, showing speed limits, etc., you may check it from here. Under when adding torrents, we'll check don't start the download automatically option as well. This will stop the torrent to download automatically as soon as you'll double click on it. So that you can make sure that whenever you want to download the torrent, only then you can click on the download button and download the particular torrent file. Now let us switch to the directories. You may change to the path to the downloads from here. For the demo purpose, I am selecting E drive here, so all the new download torrents will be directly stored in the E drive. Now if you want to move any completed data to the download folder to another path, you can change it from here as well. We are keeping this option blank, therefore all the downloads will directly be stored in the download folder. After checking all these options, we'll jump to the one more option, bandwidth allocation. In maximum upload rate, we'll set 10 KB because lesser upload speed will allow your downloading speed to increase. Now we will click on apply and OK. For the demo purpose, I have downloaded one torrent file in here. So you can see how the download speed is consistently increasing and upload speed is under 10 KB. Now we will learn about the bandwidth allocation in detail. So now if you are downloading multiple torrents and if you would like to speed up a specific torrent or two from the list of torrent, you can allocate more downloading speed simply by allocating more bandwidth to a specific torrent. To allocate more bandwidth, you can go to bandwidth allocation and click on high. Now that is how you can properly set up uTorrent or BitTorrent and optimize it according to your preference. If you have any questions, please do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching.